How does this make you feel like this? In their song Hysteric, the band The Yeah Yeahs creates this weird dreamlike vibe by contrasting the effects used between the verses and the choruses, making the verses sound more close and grounded, whilst the choruses sound more hazy and expansive. They use time-based effects like delay and reverb, dynamic effects like distortion, recording effects like multi-tracking, and spectral effects like panning. In the first verse, Karen O's vocals are almost untouched by effects, making it feel more close and natural. Take a listen.
No longer, what you ask.
Her voice only has low levels of reverb, and it's panned so it feels like it's directly in front of us in the virtual performance space. Now take a listen to the chorus.
Flow sweetly, hang heavy, you suddenly complete.
Along with the vocal slide she uses in the melody, her voice has far more noticeable reverb applied than in the verse, making her sound more ethereal. She also creates this effect of having lots of people singing or whispering around you by combining multi-tracking with small amounts of delay. To add to this effect, her voice is panned much wider in the chorus than it is in the verse, making it feel like she's singing all around you in the virtual performance space. Okay, quick sidebar. The virtual performance space is this weird conceptual environment that we hear whenever listening to a song, whereby all the instruments sound like they're all around us due to clever techie stuff. For example, a hi-hat may be sounding like it's close to our right, whilst the snare and bass drums sound far off in the distance to our left due to reverb and panning. All the while, a piano could be floating off in the distance above us, something which isn't really possible in a real-life scenario without long arms and a magic piano. Okay, sidebar over. The rest of the instruments follow this pattern of moving from the close to the expansive. The texture in the first verse sounds fairly sparse, and this is in part due to the bass playing more sporadically, and then changing to longer sustain notes in the chorus. Also, the increase in reverb in most of the instruments and vocals makes everything blend together, filling out the texture without needing to add a bunch more instruments. It could also be that they add a few synth pads in the background to flesh out the texture, but everything blends together so much it's hard to tell a synth from the reverb of a guitar, which is probably the intended effect. One final change is that the grittiness of the lead guitar, which uses a distortion pedal, is gone in the chorus, getting rid of any uncomfortable sounds and just allowing the different instruments and voices to drift into one another. Hysteric is a prime example of how audio effects can be used to change how the listener hears and how the listener feels when listening to a song. With just a few buttons pressed and a few wires plugged in, the song goes from an intimate and personal ballad to a huge wall of sound which hits us right in the feels. A technical yet beautiful way of enhancing the emotions of the song. No.